Hello, welcome to Gift Wrapping by Elaine. Sometimes I like to decorate my presents with a tassel rather than a bow, and there's a couple of examples here. There I've used two complementary colours with a little covered button, and on this oriental wrapping paper I've just used one gold one to pick up the gold in the paper. So a simple tassel is extremely easy, extremely quick to do, and I'm going to talk you through how to do one now. You need a piece of card, and basically this length, top to bottom, will be the finished length of my tassel. You need some embroidery silk, colour of your choice, a needle with a big eye, and I've already threaded that with the embroidery silk. This embroidery silk, there are 6 strands there for those of you who haven't worked with it before. I am using all 6 strands, don't try and separate it. And then you need a little pair of scissors, and in my case a pair of glasses. So this is what we do. Take the end of your embroidery silk and let it overhang your card a little way. We can trim that off later. And then all I'm going to do is wrap the embroidery silk round the card. Now obviously the more times you wrap it round, the fatter your tassel will be. This is just a length I pulled out of my workbox, so this will be the width once we've used all this up. So just keep going round like that. Okay, now when you've done that, get the needle that you've already threaded up and push it under all these strands, can you see? And pull it through. And what we're going to do then is you're going to knot that with a double knot. Now put those, see if you can weigh it down a bit. It's always handy if you've got a friend to hold it. If not, sometimes I'll trap it in a drawer or hold it between my knees or something like that. Just helps stop it slipping. So I've done a double knot there, and then I'll just trim this off, and then here I can put another knot so that I'll be able to thread the ribbon, or the silk should I say, through it onto the gift. Okay, so having done that, you then slide all this off your cardboard. Get rid of that and just squeeze the silk together, you see? And then getting your needle again, you always start with a decent length and then you don't have to rethread. All I'm going to do is wrap the embroidery silk round probably about 5 or 6 times, you see? Which gives this nice little puffed out top. So having gone around a few times, you then push your needle under those strands to finish it off and get rid of your tail. Pull it through and then cut it off. So that has now grasped all the strands together. And with the bottom edge, I'm going to cut through, and then any strands that are a bit longer than the rest I can trim off. And there you have a little tassel for your gift wrapping.
That go.
So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on like and subscribe. Thank you.